Yep.
Oh, that makes me cringe. Man,
Yeah, it hurts. What's it look like over there?
it definitely fucking alerts you. Jeez. That motherfucker's freaking out.
Look at that. It's going down. Oh, holy shit.
Could this be the first tornado hit?
Check
Oh,
that.
damn. Wow. Wow. Awesome. That's crazy. Heart's pumping. Man. Actually seeing a tornado form. Maybe that's all it's gonna do, hopefully.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Makes me feel like getting my car. But I know that's not a good idea. That's something else. I'll go get the binoculars.
Good idea. Yep. True Oklahoma fashion. Standing outside looking at it, drinking beer. Yep.